Introducing the all-new Honda NSR500 V3, 2026 edition, a masterpiece of engineering and design that blends extreme performance with cutting-edge technology. This iconic motorcycle has been meticulously crafted for speed enthusiasts, collectors, and anyone who appreciates the art of two-wheeled perfection. Starting with its sleek aerodynamic bodywork, the NSR500 V3 is designed to cut through the air with minimal resistance, allowing for unmatched acceleration and stability at high speeds. Its single, consistent glossy color finish not only highlights the bold design but also reflects Honda's attention to detail and premium craftsmanship. Under the hood, the NSR500 V3 houses a high-performance engine engineered for both power and precision. Every component, from the exhaust system to the finely tuned carburetors, has been optimized for efficiency and performance. The bike suspension system and lightweight frame provide exceptional handling, making cornering smooth and effortless, whether on the streets or the track. The dashboard and instrumentation have been redesigned for clarity and ease of use, giving riders instant access to all essential information. The ergonomic seating and handlebar placement ensure comfort even during extended rides, while the robust tires and braking system guarantee safety without compromising speed. From the front headlight to the rear taillights, every detail exudes precision. The NSR500 V3 is not just a motorcycle, it's an experience. Its aggressive stance, intricate engine details, and premium finishing make it a true showstopper in any showroom. Honda has also ensured that the NSR500 V3 offers a dynamic riding experience, combining classic design cues with modern technology. Whether you are a seasoned rider or an avid collector, this bike promises adrenaline-pumping performance, unmatched style, and enduring reliability. Step into the world of the Honda NSR500 V3 2026, where speed meets sophistication, and every ride is a journey of thrill, precision, and pure passion.